What is going on, guys? It's a while, so welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, for those who have been following my channel, you guys know I don't really do a lot of RLCs. I don't have a lot of RLCs in the collection. I don't really do them because of the high price point that they are in. But we finally have a very nice casting in the collection, and today we take a look at it. So by now you would have guessed what casting this is. This is a 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrak in the blue Spectra Flame paint job, right? The box is a very generic box, very empty. Obviously we've got the Redline Club logo right there, 21 Ford Bronco Wildtrak written right there, the Hot Wheels logo in blue, kinda I assume to match the car itself, right? I might be wrong, do let me know if I am. Now we are gonna straight and dive right. I don't really want to waste your time talking about the box. I'm gonna dive right straight into the car itself right here. Now when you open the white box, you're greeted with another box, and it says the exact same things, 21 Ford Bronco Wildtrak. We've got this very nice design, I would say, with the Bronco front end right here, the grille and the headlights, right? We've got Ford's logo right there, the exact same designing detail, I would say, our element right here. And I'll be honest, she's very nice. Like, we haven't even gotten to the car yet, and I've not even seen the car, I'll be honest with you, but she's very nice. And then obviously we've got a bunch of like warnings and the copyright stuff, etc. No, before I begin, I want to give a massive shout out to my bud Sam Wong for hooking us up with this. He was clearing this away because I think he's gonna change his focus into something else. So I just want to say thank you, bro, for hooking us up with this and for allowing me to have another RLC in the collection. And wow, oh wow, this is very nice. So we are greeted with another plastic protective piece right there. And as far as I remember from the photos, we've got retractable pieces that come in the car. So we've got the two door seals right, the two doors right here, the roof right here as well. Check that out. I think they're all clip-ons, and obviously the car itself. So I'm ever so gently gonna remove it from the box. And I think that's like a user manual kind of thing as well. So we will check that out in a bit. But here you go, guys, the Ford Bronco, the 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrak, this amazing blue paint job. And I hope the camera is doing some justice to it, because she is pretty, guys. She's beautiful. Obviously there aren't much details, details in this, but there are a couple of things I want to talk to you about. First, wheels. They've been amazing wheels. These are chunky off-roaders, guys. Check that out. Oh, she's beautiful, I'm not gonna lie. I was a bit skeptical about this initially, but now that I'm looking at it, I think it was a good decision for me to get this for my own self. Now, before we get to the interior, because that's where I want to talk to you about a couple of things, let's look at the top right here. It says Wildtrak on the top right there, the only matte piece on the front end. Obviously, you've got Bronco and the headlights, and this is exactly the same thing you guys saw here, right? This exact same front end design right there. Obviously she's an off-roader, she's lifted, it's a very nice casting, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. And then look at the wing mirror right there, that silver bit to kind of replicate the actual wing mirrors, right? That's a very nice little detail that they've added into the car. Wheels, once again, they fit amazingly well. And then the rear, we've got the tail lights, the spare tire, and they match the tires and the rims. Obviously that's a very nice little touch. And then the Wildtrak on the rear license plate and the Ford logo right there. Now, base wise, there are a decent amount of details in this. Considering it's Hot Wheels, right? They don't really like to do that, but they have for this. We've got some details here. Obviously, Ford Bronco Wildtrak written, made in China. And the basic stuff. Obviously, the rivets as well. Very nice finish to it, I would say. All in all, I think it's a very nice custom. I'm super excited to finally have this in my collection. Now, what I want to do is I want to look at the interior of this car, because that's where it's interesting. And I want to just turn the car ever so gently like that. Now, can you guys see in the interior, we have the steering wheel right there, right? We have the steering wheel. We have all the center display stuff. And what I want to show you, I think if I turn it this way, I think you guys can see. Check that out, the center screen with the Ford Bronco, the horse decal, or the logo right there. We've got very nice gray seats. We have 4 seats, 2 at the back, 2 at the front, right? And we've got this extra storage area at the rear. Now, I know what you guys have been waiting for, and that is the extra bits that come with this car. So I was just looking at the manual. It's just a piece of paper. It does not tell me how to install the door. It just tells me the roof. Sorry, it tells me how to install the door. And the doors by itself, they're relatively easy for this. So it's just a roof that I'm gonna try, and I'm still gonna try to do it on camera. So just in case I do something wrong, you guys can let me know as well. But essentially, I think it should snap right on, right? I mean, we've got the hooks right there, right? I don't know what I'm doing wrong per se. I don't know why it's not hooking us up. Let me try to see. Okay, so that goes there, and there you have it, guys. Oh, she's a very tight fit, guys. I thought it would be much easier. And then obviously for the doors, right, what we're gonna try to put the doors on as well. Now according to the manual, it's just a clip-on action right there, and boom, check that out. Same for the other door. The doors are relatively easier. They just need a bit of force for you to kind of like push the thing in right into the silver bits right there. The moment that's in, just like that. Let me try to see. Is this the right door? It is the right door, right? And then no, so this didn't work. Let's see why she didn't. Ah, there you go. No. Did I do something wrongly again? Ah, there you go. There you go. There you have it, guys. She does look amazing with the doors, but obviously I think without the doors and the roof, I think she looks even way better. But unfortunately, right now I'm facing an issue with storage. So what is going to happen is I'm going to leave the car on like this first until I get a proper diorama at least. And so I would remove all the doors and I'll display them. But just like that, guys, we're going to do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just like guys, come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing unboxing this very nice Ford Bronco. She's a third RLC in my collection. She's gonna go brilliantly well. Now, what I'm gonna do is until I find a better space, like I mentioned earlier in the video, until I find a better spot or place to put this Bronco, I'm gonna place her right here. And the reason why I'm gonna place her right here is because this is the only other RLC I have in the collection. You guys know this. I did a video on this quite some time ago, and she's my second RLC. Obviously, she just barely fits into the slot right there. So that's, I would say it's for the better, right? I'm just gonna put it in the middle. There you go. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys think having this Bronco is worth in any collection, including mine. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions on what type of content I can do next. But just so that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.